Bull stock is currently trending up 6.28%. This is Thursday, the 6th of November 2025. Pre-market session slash post-market session of yesterday, the 5th. Okay, intraday low on Tuesday the 4th, $9.34. Yes, the stock has now managed to surpass a critical level, a critical projection of $10.29, improving its probability of it testing $11. Okay, and also improving the chance of it maintaining the strength up till the close of today's trading session and into the pre-market session of tomorrow the 7th. Okay, the algo seems to be suggesting that yes, indeed, momentum will also continue to build up till at least up till the close, up till the pre-market session of tomorrow the 7th. Then after that, it may gradually begin to decay, and suggesting that by Monday, the pre-market session of Monday, the stock may drop below its 10 period moving average. No guarantee that that will be the case, but at the same time, it's also suggesting that momentum may also pick up again. So suggesting that also, yeah, the stock also rather, yeah, suggesting momentum will pick up, and indeed also the extrapolation is saying that the strength will pick up strength. Yeah, the stock will pick up strength. Okay, so the momentum and the strength, they are working in tandem. The price pressure and the momentum, they are working in tandem. Okay, as against cases where extrapolations are projected, but they are not followed with momentum as well. In such cases, caution is warranted. But here, far less caution is warranted. The only caution there, the only caveat there is that there's no guarantee that this will happen. This way, talking about projections going all the way towards so many days ahead. A lot can happen between now and then. Let's see. Uh, let's see what we have. Okay, so you can see bull stock is a high beta stock, so a lot can still happen. A lot can happen between now and then. So it could always veer off. So outside that, projections are currently saying 10.54, 10.23. Okay, previous projections, we have 11.74. What are the odds they can test those? But in any case, the probability of it testing $11 is yes, is okay. Actually, we have here 10.9, 10.94 is actually very high, very, very high, very high, higher than 50%, because we have here the moving averages. When the moving averages is greater than your target, then you're looking at a prospect of a 50% or greater probability that it will be tested. But it does not mean that it will happen. It doesn't mean that it will happen. You may notice, or you may have heard, I've said that a couple of times. The sometimes the rallies we see, the probabilities of those rallies occurring are sometimes even less than 1%, sometimes 0.1%, but they still occur anyway. At the same time, the fact that we have a probability of it retesting around $11 is more than 50%, very, very high. Statistically, it does not mean that it's going to happen. It doesn't mean it's going to happen. So, as things stand right now, positions open all the way back to 40 hours ago are slightly out of profit. The ones opened 84 hours ago, not in profit. The ones opened all the way back to 800 hours ago are currently not in profit. Okay. There isn't really any fresh news concerning our bull stock, but it's trending. We'll find out more. I think people are talking about the possible potential partnership or buyout by Coinbase. Some are speculating about the impact on that will have on the stock price and among other things. Some also debating the potential of a short squeeze and all that. But outside that, coming back to the technicals here, this underlying trend, it doesn't have enough data, so we can say in the short term it's just been bearish. Projections here as far back as the 31st of October or saying 13.73, 14.04, 15.38, 16.20. Yeah, no fresh news concerning bull stock. So yes, this is still the okay. It's active at the moment. Yes, this is the pre-market session or post-market session of yesterday, the 5th of November. So let's see. Nothing much is going on. There might be some things going on, but not enough data across the tape so far. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of bull stock. It's currently trending and buzzing. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.